check this out, guys. We have a big body in the shop. We have an Audi Q7. Car came in running super rough, so let me show you guys what I found. Probably overdue, but that's what it looks like. So let me show you what I did. We have a Sony number 3 that was misfiring. So I moved the spark plug from here, took it out the vehicle. I had a temporary one here. I didn't use the one that broke, of course not. Put that spark plug in Sony number 3, and then I swapped the coil over one to see if it would move. However, the misfire didn't move, it went away. So I know the spark plug is bad. That's the suspect that we removed. And we have it right here, guys, and it looked like it's the OEM plugs from Audi Volkswagen Group, if you check it out. And that's it, guys.